Greetings, I'm Paul Willingham, the Chief of Police for the Lone Star College Police Department, and welcome to the Lone Star College family. The LSC Police is a state-certified, full-service police department. We are on duty 24 hours a day, every day, including holidays, weekends, and nights. We perform the very same functions on our campus properties that the city and county departments do in their jurisdictions. So to reach us, call our 24-hour dispatch at 281-290-5911. From a campus hardline, all you have to do is dial 5911. Our mission at the Lone Star College Police is to maintain a safe and secure environment where education can thrive. Our essential services include preventative and highly visible uniform patrol by our armed police officers in dark navy and our unarmed public safety officers in light blue. We fully investigate all crimes with a goal towards prosecution. We also work hard behind the scenes to scan for, identify, and address potential threats to the campus community. For your convenience and safety, we also have some non-traditional law enforcement services, such as safety escorts at night, motorist assistance, and we run the LSC Lost and Found service. Please visit our website at www.lonestar.edu/police for a full overview of our services and to view safety information, our crime log, and much more. You can also find a link to our website at the footer of any LSC webpage. And listen, I want to hear from you. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me at lsc-police@lonestar.edu. Thank you for your time, and welcome to the Lone Star College family.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.